Hola mi gente, soy Yerko Forel. Quiero darle muchas felicidades a la doctora Keila por su 10º aniversario de su clínica Premium Hair.
Voy a seguir siendo Yerko el inmortal hasta que se saque el malecón. Hasta que se saque el malecón.
Muchas felicidades, que Dios te bendiga, mucha salud y larga vida para ti, para toda tu familia y para todo el equipo de trabajo de la clínica Yerko Forel.
Cuba y Puerto Rico.
Hello mi gente, les habla I Am Chino. Quiero felicitar a la doctora Keila for her 10th year anniversary successfully in Westchester with her clinic. Thank you so much. Gracias, les mando saludos, bendiciones para todo el mundo de su equipo. Que sigan para adelante in her new place, the most winning.
What up, it's your man Flo Rida, and I just want to give a big shout out to my girl, Dr. Keila Hoover. I just want to say congratulations on your 10-year anniversary. Wish you nothing but the best. God bless you. Much love.
Dr. Hoover, congratulations for your new clinic, your 10th anniversary in your practice. You're amazing. I thank you so much for the support you give to my work. And I heard about your new facility, and I heard that it's very beautiful. I wish one of these days when I'm around the area, I can come and say hello to you and congratulate you in person. So again, thank you so much for your support. Lots of love from Seattle. Take care.
Dr. Hoover is an exceptional doctor. Not only is she exceptional with me, but she's exceptional with my daughter and my husband. We've been with her for the past approximately 10 years now. I started taking my daughter when she was a little girl, and now my daughter's 12 years old. She's the most caring doctor you could ever encounter. She's the most caring doctor I've ever encountered. She's been there for me at all times and for the whole family. Anytime that we need her, she's there. Even when she's somewhere abroad, she's still responding to my text messages, and I truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. I'm very happy that her business has grown, and I congratulate her on what a wonderful person she is, because she is truly a caring person.
On behalf not only of the mayor, myself, the commissioners, we don't represent ourselves, we represent the community. A nombre del alcalde, de los comisionados, pero nosotros no nos representamos nosotros, representamos a ese pueblo maravilloso que nos elige. We wanted to wish you the best and a very special occasion for the 10-year anniversary of service to our community. Dr. Keila Hoover, we are proud of you and we hope estamos orgullosos de ti, doctora, te deseamos lo mejor y es un placer tenerte en el Distrito 6. Que Dios lo bendiga y que te siga bendiciendo para que sigas ayudando acá.
I love helping people and care for pretty much everybody. I came to this country from Cuba when I was 10. I did as much as I could, as a kid all the time. I also had scoliosis very bad, so I was suffering from a lot of back issues, back pain. So I looked at my future and it didn't look that great. So I made some changes through my life, and that's where I'm standing right now. So I decided to open my own private practice with family medicine in 2008. Nowhere would you read how to start a business. Every business is different. Medical school definitely does not teach you how to open your own practice. So I have to struggle financial hardship, figure out how to employ and deal with staffing, figure out how to bring patients into a new practice. So it was certainly a struggle. I learned a lot day to day, but it required a lot of physical and mental from me to make it today what it is, a great successful clinic.
She is an amazing doctor. She has such compassion, such an intellect. I mean, when people are sick, she knows exactly what the person has. I mean, she can diagnose it just by the things that you tell her. She'll tell you what it is, and she's always right.
In the hospitals, she's great. Even when she's out of the country, we text her and she answers our call, and we feel very secure with her.
She is an amazing woman. She's so intelligent. She's I can't say more about her. I mean, I love her very much. Her family is amazing. She's a model for everyone, for young women, because she has done everything in her life. She's so smart.
They see the fruits of my hard work. I've gone beyond what it normally takes from a doctor. Work on the weekends, come and see patients that are very sick on the weekends that I don't even get paid for. But I do it out of, of my love, out of caring for others. But it's a lot of hard work, and I'm very proud of what I am today.
Her calling to be a doctor is a godsend.
She's like family.
She's like our family. She is our family. We consider her part of our family, like a daughter. And we confide in her, and we trust her completely in all her decisions, always.
I want everybody to know that I try my best. I work very hard every day. I wake up at 6 in the morning, finish my day almost every day at midnight. I give the most I can, physically and mental, to try to make healthcare the better. I'm starting very local, but my inspiration is that I'm going to take a higher step in life and make things better. But again, patient care for me is priority in my life. We started realizing that patients were having difficulty finding parking, which is very common in Miami, and they would, have to wait around 30 minutes looking for a spot. Obviously they're taking away from work to come see me, and they're in pain and sick outside waiting for parking. And also we have overgrown the space where we're at. Staff is kind of tight in space. So we want to provide more service to our patients that we don't have the space for. So we realized I needed to purchase a bigger location with more parking, bigger space where we can provide more service to a patient. And that's when I decided to buy 3 blocks away from where I'm at, an acre of land, a bigger building that is going to turn out to be 14,000 square feet. And we're going to rebrand it, rename it Premium Healthcare. With the exponential growth I've had in 10 years, I expect the best. My goal again is to make the best I can locally here in town for my patient. I see my medical care and my network of medical centers growing and growing more. Hopefully integrating hospitals into it. So who knows what the future holds, but I'm very excited. I'm going to continue working very hard to make sure that I can balance my family life and grow my medical center the most I can, but provide the best care possible. That's my vision. That's what I went to medical school for, and I envision myself in the future. I realized that in order to grow bigger than where I am right now, it might take a higher level of something in life.
And I had 2 cancers, and during that time she was so much strength for both of us. She guided us on everything we had to do and all the treatments that we had to take. She will explain everything to you. You just, ask her a question, she'll answer your question.
Before we met her, when I was sick with the infections, if I would call my regular doctor, wouldn't answer. And we would have to go to the ER. And that we did like 4 or 5 times. After we met Dr. Hoover, she was there all the time.
I want to give to the community everything that they've given to me in the last 10 years. And this is teamwork. I am not where I am today because of myself alone. It requires staffing, patient, making me better. Every day, if I hear a complaint, I try to make things better. So very excited about my health fair. I want to give to the community, again, back what they're giving to me. There's going to be great, healthy food. We're going to have booths that are sponsored by main healthcare plans, including Humana, HealthSun, Simply, Stay Well, Mary Group, local business people in the healthcare field, medical supplies, healthcare agency. So everything that has to do with health. Patients are going to be having blood pressure check, their sugar check. So I'm very excited. It's the first one that I'm going to create. Again, the first one. I'm already planning out for the next one in a very near city. So looking forward to this. I'm very excited. I think it's going to be a great event for the community. So I expect the best. I want patients to know and the community that I try the best I can. I dedicate a lot of my time every day. I spend more than 12 hours a day trying to figure out ways to improve medical care, how I can improve my practice, how to improve the way I practice myself personally and how my colleagues work. I really envisioned this as a kid. I had the American dream of becoming a physician and giving the best care possible. Currently, there's better ways to improve the system. I know that our current presidents and local politicians are trying, but I believe there's better ways to improve that. And it might take a physician to do that change.